This is the Nokia 101 from 1992. Can you believe this was my very first mobile phone, and we're talking 30 years ago? And that's why the Nokia 101 is my tech nomination for 1992. It's funny, just how quickly, really, I know it's 30 years, but how quickly we went from this, when it was launched, it was the world's smallest mobile phone. And now we have my latest phone, happens to be an iPhone, how far technology has come. And we're talking a time when phones like this came in a leather pouch with a plastic cover, even had a hook for your belt, would swing off your belt like this. And even better, when you wanted good signal, you pulled out the antenna like this. Now this bad boy in 1992 gave you 16 characters on the screen. There was a lot of upping and downing to scroll through messages. That's if you were lucky enough to even have text message service set up. But I really like it. It's got a real tangible feel to it. The buttons are quite spongy. As you can see, the shape of it is a candy bar shape with the charger on the end and then a clip for the battery here. This was the extra long battery you can see here. A bit fatter than normal, so it gave that camel shape to it. So this was the year 1992 that Windsor Castle had a fire. Rodney King was filmed being beaten by police in that infamous videotape. And then, of course, the LA riots. But 1992, this was a professional working person's business tool, marketed, as I said, as the smallest mobile on the market. Now this particular battery is dead. I've tried charging it. When I turn on the power, all I get is a brief flash of light and then it turns off and it makes that old retro mobile phone sound. But I inherited this 4 years later, 1996, because of course by then it was 4 years old. There were newer phones, they were smaller, sleeker, and this one was obviously more affordable. And of course the cover, you undid the Velcro at the top, pulled out your phone from the case if you wanted to go unprotected. I mean, these are pretty durable. This one's in nice condition, as you can see. Nice and clean, no cracks, no scratches. The only thing it would need is a new battery and of course a SIM card. So my tech nomination for 1992 is the Nokia 101 Candy Bar mobile phone. You're watching the Retro Tech Show. See you on the next episode. Thanks for following, thanks for subscribing, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this phone. Did you have one? Or did maybe your parents have one? Or maybe even your grandparents? Let me know in the comments.